dark, dark night on Gough Way, and the murderers came out to play. You see Crystal standing on the side of the street, and just has been knocked off her feet. Detective K gets out her gun while the killer's on the run. Other citizens stop and stare. Who did this awful crime? It was unfair. It wasn't fair.
Hi, yeah, I'm coming. I'm gonna meet you there later. Yeah. Okay, right. Bye. Wait.
So what? Do you want?
I'll get to the bottom of this. Are you Crystal?
And what?
Do you know anything about the murder of Jessica Watson?
Yeah, but it'll cost you, darling. Behind you! The slut herself seems to know all. Let's hope the murderer has her fool.
Somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend. They are hard. You were a real nice kid. Some of it ain't sure, but I got potential.
We will get to the bottom of this.
The birdie knows best. She's round to her nest.
You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your son.
Right, men, what do you suggest we do?
Let's get him, boss! Yeah! Let's put our heads together.
Think, men, think! No. I tried to get him, but he was just too far.
Well, we know where he lives. We'll seize him tonight.
There he is.
This is it.
We found the bird who was protecting her herd. It's time to attack. The cops are back. The bird got away and it all happened on Gough Way. Whatever you do, don't catch bird flu. Sponsored by Birdseye!